With the experts. Aba.
At Cindy. Okay, so according to Cindy, we used to know the happenings in our society.
Totoo.
Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to get creative.
Wow, totoo.
Yun ang aking message sa inyo na sa pagsusulat ng isang teacher article.
Well.
Huwag niyong limitahan yung imagination.
Ilang po sa akin. Gagit. Ay, hindi. Ay, wala sa uma. Ganun pala.
Actually, hindi ko pigado.
Bakla lang pala bagos.
Sir, talagang yun ang binapara makakag niya. What's wrong? Kaya pagkatay na hindi lang. Sabi niyo po rin. Ang bigaw.
Picture daw.
Try ko kasi try ni Regine. Oh, kasi ko dito challenge siya na. Challenge siya.
Ay, wow.
To exist extensions in the West Philippine Sea, the Department of National Defense has already launched its own inquiry into suspicious recruitment traced in China. This developing story highlights serious national security concerns, prompting calls for immediate and thorough investigation.
Okay, so, then. Ems, ang egg! Ang alang talaga, promise.
High school to sa Konsano meron. Pero elementary. Dito ano ba?
Mas ka nagsayang ako certificate pang po. Thinking kasi na mga nadakaagi na sila mo. Kaya enhancement nga ni. Ang ending, oh Diyos ko, hindi pwede sila mag-enhance. Basic pa. Diba? But ako na, naman nila ang pyramid na nasa news writing, be. May na lang.
Importante okay na si Mel.
Thank you.
Okay na. Wala nagambal si Mel na kung nababachigan niya.
Hindi mo kayo ko daan. Ma'am, do bearable pa siya.
Kaluluoy.
It's meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel anymore. There's a tree. Hi guys, so today we're walking. We're walking upside down. Wala ko ka video check. cute niyo. Shush. Nakauna ka mo, guys. Hindi na video. Hey guys, so, right now,
Maano naman? Wala na ko kuya nakati. Iba si makapture ang aton da. Ugay pwede una lang sa libon dali na. Kay ba si capture ang aton ano?
nababalan siya. Lost.
Basi makapture ang aton ano diyan sa dugay.
We're lost. I'm sick. So right now, we're in the middle of nowhere. Nowhere to be found. No cash, no clothes, no bags. Just us.
How can we survive?
Just our friends. And right now,
This is our situation.
yeah, situational. Very exam. Look at my necklace. Someone gave it to me.
Kaya diretso mo.
Sa libon anay sir. Para meron tayong ano cash.
Tapos, ikot pa naman.
Ikot lang. So, we are at Mango Island Cafe, guys.
Saan kayo?
We need to try their
Sanjo.
pizza.
Sanjo. Tanong ko sa saan.
Oh, ang ganda mo lang. Pwede mo pong pakita sila. Ay, nagpati mo siya. Yun. Kula na lang dahil, ano. Kuya, kastorya mo si, ano, role-playing. Siyempre, ma-picture.
Familiar. And no religion too. Imagine all the people.
Sing back when it feels just a little bit bigger now. A song on the radio, but it doesn't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just dim me down. Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like ooh, ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have given you all my hours when I had a chance. Take you to every party cause all we wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. My pride, my ego, my needs and my selfish ways. Cause a good strong woman like you and now I never get to clean up the mess I made. Oh, it haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like ooh, ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should just flowers and held your hand.